Hey friends, it's Jenny and I am in a remodel that we're working on for a master bath in Lincolnshire, and sometimes we find things that we don't expect. For example, in this home, what we found unexpectedly, the ceiling, if you can see right here, there's 3 layers of drywall. Why? Absolutely no idea. 3 layers of drywall on the ceiling, 2 on the walls. The other thing that we found, which is kind of crazy, there's something for every drain that you have in a bathroom. There's something called a vent, which is a PVC pipe that vents out. And the reason that we have vents for drains is if you ever took a gallon of milk and turned it directly upside down, it would go glug, 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 glug. It would be awkward to hold it and the liquid would not come out smoothly. But if you take another gallon of milk and pop a hole in it, it would just flow right out. That's what a vent does for a drain, and allows it to drain smoothly. So somebody had done a remodel in here previously and they just cut off the vent, which is crazy. So undoubtedly these drains were gurgling and it had to be terrible. Anyway, we're fixing it all, but this is the kind of stuff we find sometimes when we demo for a remodel. Good times. See you next time.